Hi everyone. So what I'm going to do in this video is kind of show you a tool that I love to set up in the beginning of the year so that it's kind of always available whenever I need it. So the whole point of this one is just, of course, during those moments in class when you want to call in a random kid, instead of like picking a popsicle stick or whatever it is, it's kind of the online tool. And there's a handful out there. I happen to like Wheel Decide. So I'll show it to you and you'll see it's pretty easy to set up, and then you're good to go for the whole rest of the year. So here's what I mean. So if you're obviously teaching class and you want to call on somebody, I would have it bookmarked already. So then I can just kind of call on somebody. So I'd spin my little wheel of fun, and then whoever it lands on, of course, I would call them. So that's the gist of Wheel Decide. So let me show you how to set it up. So the first thing you're going to need is a roster of your kids. So you can just download them. So I will put a little link in the description for how to download rosters from Genesis. So at this point, I'm taking the assumption that you have a roster. All right, so what you do is literally just kind of go to your roster, and I would choose Core 1, and I would copy all my kids. Go to wheeldecide.com. And once you're there, it has a sample wheel, but what you do is just go to down a little bit where here it says paste list. So you just paste in all your kids and label it whatever you want your class to be called. So I would call this one Core 1. And just like that, now I have a random wheel chooser for my Core 1. But the second really important piece is you want to bookmark it, so therefore you can access it whenever you want. So then from there, you would just bookmark this page. A lot of times it defaults. See, mine says Wheel Decide Core 1. I put mine in like a folder. You're welcome, of course, to put it in a folder or just kind of keep it on its own. And then done. And then for importing your next class, it's basically the same process with a little bit of a tweak. So then I would just go to my Core 2, copy all those kids. And from there, I would go back down to paste list. The only difference now is I would hit replace choices. So therefore, all the new kids go in. And so now here are all my Core 2 kids. I would change the title to Core 2. And ta-da, now you have Core 2. So same process, bookmark this page. And then I would just do that for all your classes. And then just in a matter of maybe 5 minutes, you have a random name chooser set up for the entire year and good to go. All right, so I hope that this helps you. And of course, if you ever need me to work with you, help you, I would be glad to help you make this happen in your classroom. All right, thanks.